In a cozy forest, deep beneath a mighty oak, lived a curious squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had a passion for collecting shiny things, acorns, pebbles, and colorful leaves. One sunny morning, he spotted a glimmering object on a distant hill. Excitement bubbling, Sammy scampered towards the hill. At its peak, he discovered a forgotten treasure chest half buried in the earth. With trembling paws, he pried it open, revealing a sparkling necklace. Each jewel held a tiny rainbow within. As he touched the necklace, a faint voice whispered, "Kind squirrel, you have unlocked the rainbow gem's magic. It grants a wish to those who use it for good." Sammy's heart swelled with ideas. He wished for the forest to flourish, trees to blossom, and animals to thrive. Instantly, colors burst forth, painting the world with vibrancy. Word spread of Sammy's benevolence, and animals journeyed from afar to witness the enchanted forest. But Sammy knew his wish was more than colors. It was about sharing, kindness, and bringing joy to all. From then on, Sammy and his friends protected the gem, using its magic to bring happiness to everyone. And so, beneath the mighty oak, a forest of laughter, friendship, and radiant colors bloomed, forever fueled by the magic of Sammy's selfless wish.